Hey there, I'm Brad, and this is my story. A journey that started on a family farm in Kansas and led me to the world of construction and beyond. Growing up on the farm, I learned the value of hard work from an early age. My family taught me how to handle challenges, whether it was repairing machinery or managing crops. But it definitely taught you, like I said, hard work and to be independent and to have a drive to want to do more. We use a lot of heavy equipment in our line of work, and it allowed me to just basically feel comfortable and confidence and to be able to operate the machinery that we use today, whether it be skid loaders, mini X's, boom lifts, and it allowed me to make sure that they were maintained and stayed in the safe, operable conditions. That way nobody would get hurt. So after high school, I attended a community college first. I actually went to CoFounder Community College for a couple years to play football before transferring to Kansas State University. There I studied and majored in accounting, and that's what my bachelor's degree is accounting. But it wasn't really my calling. And let's be honest, everyone, do I look like I'm an accountant? I had always been wanting to be in the construction industry. I'd been in it at an early age, and I decided that I no longer want to work for anybody else again. So while I was in college, I started my own business, primarily in the roofing industry. From there, after I graduated from college, me and my family decided to pack up and move to California. From there, we decided to buy and flip homes, and that just slowly led us into more and more things. Our reputation got out for the quality of work that we were doing, and engineers and realtors wanted to work with us on the remodel side. But the more and more homes that we did, whether it be buying and flipping them or doing remodels for other people, we noticed that the foundation industry could be better served. We were running into a lot of issues with houses having foundation issues, and that led us to decide to expand and transition our company in 2015 to be primarily in the foundation repair sector. And during that time in 2015, that was when Dalinghaus Construction was started. Brian and I's goal when we started this company was to try to maintain it as a family business. We didn't want it to be a corporate feeling, and we wanted everybody who worked here want to come to work here. And we feel like we have a great atmosphere here that is a family-owned business, and every team member that we have here is greatly appreciated and is a pleasure to work with. Appreciate y'all joining me today. If you guys want more information, please check out our website, and we'll be here to help you with any of your foundation repair needs that you may have. At Dalinghaus Construction, we're dedicated to keeping your foundation strong and secure for the years to come.
Thank you for listening to my story.
Thank you for listening to my story.